How to show hidden layer outputs in Tensorflow. I'm having differences of the outputs when comparing a model with its stored protobuf version, via this conversion script. For debugging, I'm comparing both layers respectively. For the weights and the actual layer output during a test sequence, I receive the identical outputs, thus I'm not sure how to access the hidden layers. Here is how I load the layers. Here is the way what I thought to show the respective elements. Show weights. Show outputs. With this code ses.runLayer1 equals ses.runLayer1, feed_dict equals input column x_test, which shouldn't be true. Can someone help me out?
When you run ses.runLayer1, you're telling TensorFlow to compute the value of layer 1 tensor, which is, according to your definition. Note that LSTM kernel is the weights variable. It does not depend on the input, that's why you get the same result with ses.runLayer1, feed_dict equals input column x_test. It's not like TensorFlow is computing the output if the input is provided, it's computing the specified tensors, in this case layer 1. When does input matter then? When there is a dependency on it. For example, ses.runOutput. It simply won't work without an input, or any tensor that will allow to compute the input. The optimization op, such as tf.train.adaptoptimizer ... minimize loss. Running this op will change layer 1, but it also needs the input to do so.
Maybe you can try TensorBoard and examine your graph to find the outputs of the hidden layers.